Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Greenwood, a small but historic town in southern British Columbia, tucked in the boundary country near the US border. Greenwood got its name from the surrounding forests, a reminder of the green woods that once covered the hillsides. The town was founded in the late 1800s during the mining boom and quickly grew into a busy center for copper mining. By the early 1900s, it had everything from a courthouse to a newspaper. During the Second World War, Greenwood became home to Japanese Canadians who were forcibly relocated from the coast, and their story remains an important part of the town's history. Today, Greenwood is proud to be Canada's smallest city, known for its heritage buildings, mountain views, and friendly community. It's a quiet place with a big story and a warm welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Greenwood, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.